Hello, my name is Immanuel Williams, and I'm a lecturer at California Polytechnic State University. And today I'm presenting personalized reports to inform and motivate students within introductory stat courses using R and Akindi. So let's imagine a 10-question paper and pencil multiple choice quiz is given to students. So in terms of traditional feedback, we would imagine a score, or even potentially a quiz and a score, is given back to the students. However, there are times where this quiz and score, as well as just the score, could be late. So some questions automatically arise. So what about student improvements? How do students know how they're currently doing in the class compared to how they've done in the past? As well as how do students pinpoint the exact concepts that they do not understand? And lastly, as an instructor, what concepts are missed as a whole when administering these quizzes? So what I suggest is implementing an alternative reporting technique that includes a student's performance plot, so students can see how they're doing on the current quiz as well as their past quizzes, a concept table that allows students to see how they understand certain concepts on that particular quiz, as well as giving the original quiz back to students. So the report consists of a comparison of the student's performance on the past quizzes, which is the red points, and the class's performance, which are all the black points, and the 75th and 25th percentile. So students are able to compare how they're doing as well as how they're doing compared to their peers. Students are then able to understand which concepts they are having issues with, so they can essentially come to office hours and exactly know what issues they should work on. Lastly, they are given the original quiz alongside with their original response and the correct response to that particular question at hand, and the method or the concept that's being discussed in that question. So what is required to create these reports in R is first a concept data Excel sheet that includes the quiz number, question name, question choices, as well as the major concepts, so that we can report back to the students which areas they are missing. A second aspect would be the Akindi quiz Excel sheet. What is Akindi? Akindi is an online platform that allows instructors to administer multiple choice questions via paper and pencil format. So Akindi allows you to print bubble sheets, have students fill them out. You scan the bubble sheets, and then Akindi grades the bubble sheets. And so this is an example of an Excel sheet that Akindi will print out for your multiple choice questions. Third is to have students' past performance within an Excel sheet so that you can create that performance plot for the students. So the benefits of these reports really stem from the fact that students are more engaged and are motivated to figure out what exactly they do not understand in terms of the concepts discussed on the quiz. So I've seen students come to office hours discussing the concept table with fervor in terms of being able to figure out how they can improve upon their performance in terms of these concepts. And I've seen students also tell me that this allowed them to study for final exams or more comprehensive exams more succinctly because they know which areas they are not proficient in. So in terms of the conclusions, again, these reports allow students to understand the content at a deeper level. There are two huge drawbacks. This requires a paper and pencil multiple choice quiz, as well as there are opportunities for questions to be leaked for future classes. So that's a huge drawback. And lastly, the R assessoR package will be available on GitHub later this summer. Thank you.